If you want to find hidden text messages on iPhone, then this video is for you. First, let me show you something. Like, you just need to scroll down. When you find apps, tap on it. Now search for the messaging application. Like here, this is actually our messages application, where we just need to scroll down until we find this message history section, where we find this keep messages and some spam folders, like from this one, like message filtering and filter unknown sender. If you toggle this on, it will filter all the messages that are sent from unknown senders, and this considered as spam messages. This will just stored in another hidden place in your messaging section. Then if you toggle this off, then you will get all the spam messages, all the messages from this unknown sender at one place. So it's preferable to turn this on to avoid any type of spam messages. Then if you turn this on, and then you want to find these hidden messages from the unknown sender or any type of message, it might store on your messaging application. Let me show you. From here, this is actually our messaging application. Sorry, I just forget where I just placed my messaging application. Now you just need to tap on these filters, where you will find these four options. The third option is unknown senders. Here you can see I have 33 messages stored in this section. Those are actually the unknown sender and considered as spam. So you can just go here and you can search, find some hidden messages that you didn't get on your all messages section, real messages section. So you will get this unknown message sender section. You can find it here. So that's how you can just get the hidden messages on your iPhone. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.